Hello friends, welcome. In the previous video we have installed the Breeze package for authentication. So in our application now can go anyone and register, log in, log out and so on. But we have lost the routes we had. So if I navigate in the /posts, we have 404 not found. So let's go and fix that. In the VS Code, open the web routes. And here I'm going to say route resource and add /post, and here I'm going to add the post controller, what we had before. Post controller class, save it, and if I come here and refresh, yeah, we have the posts here. We don't have any posts because I deleted all the posts. But if I navigate here, yeah. But because we have the authentication system in our project, now I want to protect this route. So only the authenticated user can go and create posts. Okay, because right now anyone can go and create that. So if I navigate here, you can see we have this route for dashboard and we have the middleware auth here. So let's add now this middleware to also this resource. We can say middleware auth like this. And if I save now and come here and refresh, yeah, we need to log in. Let's go and register a new user, and I'm going to say admin.com, and type the password. Okay, now because we are logged in, if I navigate in the post, new post, yeah, we can see that. Okay, friends. We protected the route, but I'm going to use this layout for our post as well. So let's go and inside the resources, views, post. So in the index, we have this Xmine layout. So let's remove this and say X app layout. Okay, and if I go to the dashboard, we have the X app layout and we need the X slot name header. So let's copy this one here. And we have the header here, but just copy the heads too. So copy this and paste it here. We are in the post index, so I'm going to say all posts. We don't have a footer there, so let's remove that. And if I save now and come here, navigate to the posts, yeah, here we have no post, but we are in the /posts here. Now I'm going to add a link here to navigate to the post, not so because if we are in the dashboard, I'm going to add a link to go to the post. For that, we need to go in the layouts, and here we have the navigation, and you can see the navigation links. So here is this dashboard we have here. I'm going to copy this and copy the nav link and paste it and change the route here. The route is going to be post.index. Okay, the post index name. And here is going to say, I'm going to say post. If I save, refresh, yeah, here we have now the post. And if I click, we navigate to the /post and so on. Okay, friends, So that's it about this video. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.